You want to be successful in life, you have to follow the some tips that all shared today. Okay. Number one, if you want to do something in your life, you have to get started. Just get started. Don't be sad. Don't be depressed. Don't be frustrated. Just get started. Never lose hope. Number two, when you start working, you have no idea how to actually work, but it doesn't matter. Cause the idea doesn't come overnight, but one the day the idea will become, inshallah. Number three, when we start working, you have to continue this work. You have to keep doing this work. You can't stop. You have to continue this work. Number four, sometimes we feel alone and sometimes we feel weak. At the same times, you have to think about it. You have to feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with you every time, every single moment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with you.